ట్రయల్ బోర్డ్ ఎగ్జామ్ చెప్తాను. Good morning. ఇంట్లో నీ కంప్యూటర్ ఉందా? లేదు కదా. కంప్యూటర్ మొబైల్ ఏం లేవు కదా. మొబైల్ ఉందా? సో టుడే ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు షో యూ హౌ టు సీ సిబిఎస్ఈ మోడల్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్. నీకు ఇది అవసరం లేదు, నీది స్టేట్ బోర్డు. ఓకే, సో సిబిఎస్ఈ మోడల్ క్వశ్చన్ paper and previous examination question, previous board exam papers. Okay, these two things I wanted to just give you information so that it will be aware. First, because you are going to write 2025 board examination, okay, 26, so that model question paper you should see. Because you are going to write, you should know, maybe your school must have explained you, but still some of you are not focusing on school's model papers. Better you, by your own, you can have it. Now for that, it is available in CBSE website. So CBSE, what it will do, in the beginning only, CBSE will give the curriculum. Okay, not only CBSE, all state boards and everything, in the beginning, in the month of June, July only, they will give the curriculum. That means the board examination curriculum they will give, and sample question paper they will give. Okay, sample question paper SQP or model question paper MQP, whatever. So these two things they will CBSE board will give. So now how to find out the sample question paper? This is the website, CBSE website. So cbseacademics.nic.in. Okay, cbseacademic.nic.in. So if you click that, you will be getting like this. In this, all CBSE related information will be there. Suppose if you want to see the syllabus will be there in the curriculum. So 2025, 26, 24, 25, this is the curriculum. Same way, even in the boards also, state boards also, there will be a website like this. In the website, all the syllabuses will be there. So curriculum, as per this curriculum, your textbooks were designed. If your textbooks are new textbooks, no problem. If you are using old textbooks, last year textbooks, last year's curriculum will be there. If you are using our old book use करते हो, so ये 23, 24 ऐसा, इसीलिए textbooks खरीदना. Textbooks, latest textbooks by CBSE, they provide a new syllabus. Okay, that is so many students they will use the old books. So old books will have old curriculum. New books will have new curriculum. So this is now over. Now let us go to sample question paper. So this is the sample question paper. So if you click this, you will be getting SQP. SQP means sample question paper 25-26. That means present academic year. If you click on that, what happened? There are 2 classes, board examination. Let us click on 10th class. So all these subjects will be there in CBSE. See, so many questions. Now our mathematics basics, mathematics standard. Okay. So this is SQP sample question paper. This is MS marking scheme. So marking scheme also, how they give the marks for a particular question, that is also important. Accordingly, if you write the answer, it will be very helpful. So let me just click on this SQP. Okay. So this is a maths question paper basic. So it is not the board examination paper. It is only a sample question paper given by the CBSE. So instructions will be there. Most of the students, they will miss this without reading this. They will directly go to the questions. That is not correct. You should see even in the board examination also, if you get the question paper, read each and every line. Make a habit of that. So this question paper contains 38 questions, but state board, AP state board, Telangana state board, they are having less number of questions. 16, 17 questions are there. CBSE 38 questions are there. So this question paper, all questions are compulsory. That means there is no choice, right? The question paper is divided into 5 sections: A, B, C, D, E. Okay, like that if you keep this, because whenever you are playing a game, you should know the instructions, right? So question paper is divided into A, B, C, D, 5 sections. Section A, question number 1 to 18 are multiple choice questions, MCQ. This is right from the beginning, I have been telling you, MCQs are very important. Question number 19 and 20 are assertion and reason based questions. They are also 1 mark each. So that is section A. Section B, 21 to 25, very short answer, VSA, carries 2 marks each. Section C, 26 to 31, short answer, VSA, very short answer, essay, short answer question, carries 3 marks each. So there is no 1 mark, 1 mark only in section E. Section D, long answer question, 32 to 35, carrying 5 marks each. Okay, 5 marks. So that is long answer questions. In section E, 36 to 36, 37, 38, case based study questions, 4 marks each. Okay, so 4 marks each. In each question there are sub questions also. So section E. So there is no overall choice. Overall में पूरा questions में choice नहीं है, but an internal choice in 2 marks question. Section B में short answer questions are there. उसमें internal choice will be there. 2 questions of section B, 2 questions of section C, 2 questions of section D are having internal choice. Internal choice means, for example, question number 3. In 3 there will be 2 questions, either this or this, that is internal choice. Question 3 is compulsory. In question 3, choice will be there, either first question or second question choice. That is called internal choice. So like that, how many? 2 plus 2 plus 2, total 6 questions are having internal choice. Okay, 2 marks question में 2 and 2 marks section B में 2, section C में 2, section D में 2. And draw the neat diagram, neat figures, clean figures wherever is required. Okay, neat figures, you have to use the scale, pencil, everything. Wherever pi is equal to 22 by 7, wherever is required. Okay, if not stated, question में कभी-कभी in the questions only they will indicate use pi is equal to 3.14. If it is not indicated, use pi is equal to 22 by 7. Use of calculators are not allowed. These are the instructions you should go. Now अभी तक we have completed 4 chapters, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us find out these 4 questions in this, okay, the exponent of 3 in the prime factorization, 225. Which chapter is this? Which chapter is this? ఏ చాప్టర్ చెప్పగలవా? ఇది ఎక్స్పోనెంట్ ఆఫ్ 3 ఏ చాప్టర్లో వస్తుంది ఇది? రియల్ నెంబర్స్, ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్ 1. ఓకే, this is chapter 1. 2024x 2024y is equal to 1, 2024 minus 1, then x minus y is equal to, this is chapter 3, linear equation. Okay, so linear equation, and the number of polynomials chapter second chapter. Okay, so number of polynomials having -2 and 5 as zeros. How many zeros? -2 and 5. How many polynomials we can have? Infinitely many. Okay, because I have given the same question in my MCQ test. Okay, so which of the following is not a quadratic equation? Quadratic equation question. Okay, AP, the value of x, 2x, x plus 10, 3x plus 2 or 3 consecutive, arithmetic progression. Okay, this is also say 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to, no, this entire thing is 25k, then k, sum of n terms, this is arithmetic progression. Now distance between, this is coordinate geometry, but trigonometry is involved. Distance between 2 points, and again coordinate geometry 2. Okay, arithmetic progressions 2 MCQs have come, coordinate geometry 2 MCQs have come, and this is triangles. Okay, triangles 1 and 2 questions have come, triangles. Okay, so and this is circles, 1 question has come. Okay, so for visually impaired students means jinka eyes have problem na, only those people are having some questions, so it is indicated here. 12th question, again trigonometry. Okay, 1 trigonometry 1, and 13th question statistics, and again 14th question statistics abhi tak 2 questions aaya hai, and this is circles, no, external point, the distance q is radius, this is coordinate geometry. Okay, again 16th, this is circles. Okay, this one is for everybody, but the down one is visually impaired. Okay, who has a problem with the eyes. So question number 17, circumferences of 2 circles, areas related to circles, this is probability. Okay, 19 and reason and assertion. So this is about see, that means very very important to focus on MCQs. हर एक चैप्टर में एक नहीं तो 2 क्वेश्चंस आ रहा है ना, every chapter is having 1 or 2 questions. AP is very important, 2 questions have come. Coordinate geometry 2 questions have come. So if you know this, accordingly you can prepare. Yugandhar, good morning. Now let us see very short answer questions. This very short answer questions, 2 marks each. Okay, so show that this is internal choice. A 21st question, show that the number is a composite number. When I was teaching you real numbers, I said it is very important question. So it has come. So either this or this, that is internal choice. So 2 marks question. Again this is radius. Okay, find the radius. Circles question, and zeros, quadratic equations. 2 questions have come from the quadratic equations. Okay, 2, 4 marks. So then trigonometry only internal choice is there. One is angles, the other one is also angles related. Okay. So section C, trigonometry, only one question have come. In quadratic equations 2 questions have come. Okay. Again section C, 3 marks each. Irrational number, prove that root 2 minus root 5 is irrational number. Very important question. डेफिनेटली ऐसा क्वेश्चन तो आएंगे ही. सो रियल नंबर्स 1, MCQs में एक क्वेश्चन आया है, अभी इधर एक क्वेश्चन, 3 + 1 4 मार्क्स. ओके. अगेन स्टैटिस्टिक्स वी हैव गॉट इंटरनल चॉइस. दिस इज find the model. So here mode you have to find out, and down you have to find out find the value of p. Mean is given, so either mean or mode. In this missing frequency, I told you it's very important. Again 28th question, depending on, this is circle question. सर्किल में बहुत कम क्वेश्चंस है, वही क्वेश्चंस में इधर आ जाएंगे. सो इट्स ए डोंट लीव एनी चैप्टर. All the chapters are having very less number of questions. Okay. So like this you can download from the CBSE website and check how the questions are coming from each chapter. You have to understand the analogy strategy of CBSE. From this sample question paper you can easily understand. Accordingly you have to design a strategy, your own plan to play the game. Okay. So now in the same way you will be getting a previous examination question also. Previous examinations, like go to Chrome, take okay, now you can go to Google. Okay, Google, and write here previous examination CBSE. If you write CBSE, okay, you will be getting so many. Okay, cbse.government.previous question papers. If you click on previous question papers, you will be getting this page. Okay. So now question papers for the examination 2025 मार्च में जो हो गया वो, click here. Again you have to click on 10th class, and then you get like this all the subjects. So go to maths. Okay, all these are previous exam. English communicative, English literature. Okay, it is in the alphabetical order. Mathematics basic, and downloading the file. Open. So in this there are so many questions. Let us open this. Cannot open the file, I don't know why. So in that you will be getting all the previous examination questions. Okay. So my computer has some problem, that is unable to download. In that archive you will be getting previous examination questions of all the subjects, and 3 sets, set 1, set 2, set 3. Okay, in Hindi and English, all these things will be there. So you can download. I have downloaded. I am going to do at least 2 previous examination questions. In the same way you can go to AP State also. Okay. Textbook it came. Okay, so now then AP State Board question papers, AP State Board BOA RD Board examination papers. Okay, enter. Enter कहाँ? Enter. Enter is there ना? So there is some problem. You will be getting all the question papers. State board is more easy. Okay. So like this, all the information are there in the internet. But the thing is, how you are going to use this is it makes a lot. So if you start browsing internet, what happened? Your mind will get distracted to the other sites also, other information, reels, YouTube, shorts, etc. That is why I always advise to get a physical copy. Physical copy means whenever you will be having a book. These are the books available. These are the books. So nowadays you don't need to open the internet. So I have R.D. Sharma. R.D. Sharma, there are two things. Okay, one is objective questions. A separate book is there, R.D. Sharma. Okay, and maths textbook is also there, R.D. Sharma. So in this, previous examination questions are also available. Previous examination questions are also available. And some publications are giving last 10-year board examination question papers also. If you are really interested, you can search the shops, book shops. Definitely they will give you model question papers. Ratna Sagar is offering around 20 model question papers. Usme se 10 previous examination and 10 of its own. So like that, as long as you don't follow a strategy, okay, then it is very difficult to crack good marks, right? So now this is how you have to approach a board examination, right? Yesterday I stopped now if you are having any doubts in anything, because I have completed my board examinations. Good morning, Anuja. Okay. So I was teaching you arithmetic progression. Nth term I was teaching you. I will take some 1 or 2 questions in sum of n terms, and then I will switch over to, I will pack up for today. So 5.3 is completely based on sum of n terms, Sn formula. Okay, Sn formula is very important. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Very important formula. As long as you Anuja, really board examination, it depends on your preparation. Say I am telling you, every game is difficult if you don't know the rules and regulations and how to play, right? So 38 questions are there. 38 questions are there. If your target is 100 out of 100, yes, you have to work hard. If you want to get 70 marks, yes, play way में आप जाके easily 70 marks ले सकते हैं, right? If your target is 100 out of 100, yes, you have to struggle. because 100 out of 100, almost 99.9% is impossible. Okay, some students are getting it, because MCQs plays a very important role. MCQs around 20 MCQs. So definitely that will give a very big blow to the students, very big blow to the students. So whoever is not focusing on MCQs, definitely they won't be getting full marks. Okay, subjective question papers, ever so many, out of 100 students, around 50 to 60 students they will completely do subjective, but MCQs they definitely face difficulty. That's why in the description I have given MCQ test in all the chapters. All the chapters MCQ tests are given in my description. You just click on that, go to my learning app. In that all MCQ tests were given. All the 13 chapters MCQ tests are given. You just have a practice. As long as you are not having a practice, it's very difficult to play the game. Practice makes you perfect. So now it's just November, December, Jan. 3 months are there in your time. It's not a big thing. You can easily crack 100 out of 100 if you wish. If you are having a strong wish to get good marks, right? So I will just give you I will do one question. How many terms? I will take a fourth question. 5.3, question number 4. How many terms of AP? How many terms of AP? 9, 17, 25. Take the sum. Must be taken to give a sum of 636. The entire thing based on the understanding of the problem. So how many terms are taken? N we don't know. N is equal to question mark. How many terms? N. So it should strike to your mind that what you have to find out. So N is the question mark. And what is this 636? That is nothing but Sn. Sum must be taken to give a sum of 630. So Sn is equal to 636. So one value. Now इसमें से A is equal to 9 and D is equal to how much? 17 minus 9. How much? 17 minus 9, 8. So now put these values in this formula, Sn formula, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 636. Now put these 9 and d in this. So 9, n by n is n only, no change. 2a, 2 into 9 plus n is n only, and d is how much? 8 is equal to 636. So this 2 I can take you here. So what happened? 636 into 2. Now only n is left here, n into 18 plus 8n minus 8. So n I will keep here only, 18 minus 8, 10 plus 8n is equal to 2 6 12, 2 3 6 1 7, 2 6 12. So now you are getting a quadratic equation. So then how much? 10n plus 8n square minus 1272 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Write in the standard form. 8n, 10n, 8n square. Now in this 2 table will cancel. 2 table will go. Let us make it simplify. So then 4n square plus 5n minus 6, 3, 6. Quadratic equation. once you solve this quadratic equation, definitely n will be having two values. n ఒక positive value వస్తుంది, ఒకటి negative value వస్తుంది. Because minus 636 is there, definitely n you will be having. That is why quadratic equations is very important. This is not quadratic equation chapter. Okay, this is a progression chapter. But in the progression, you got a quadratic equation. So quadratic equation chapter is very important. That's why you go through it. I have 3 videos. In the HOTS also I have solved it. You just go to my channel and find out. So you will get a positive value, negative value. But n cannot be negative. Why? N is number of terms. Number of terms cannot be negative. There are minus 3 terms, minus 10 terms, impossible, absurd. So n cannot be negative. N you will be getting only positive value. Right? So a very important question, and ये question up to 5 marks के लिए आने के लिए chances है. Right? So now let us do one more question. 10th question. Okay? If somebody is having any question in this this one, you can have it. ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ చెప్తాను, వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. 10th క్వశ్చన్. an is equal to 3 plus 4n. a1, a2, a3, an are ap, and find sum of first 15 terms. He asked us to find S15. Okay? So this is also a very important. an is given, nth term is given, sum of. How? For S15, what you need? A we need, D we need. First term and common difference are needed. So first term and common difference you should get from this. Let us say n is equal to 1. Then how much? 3 plus 4 into n. So 3 plus 4, 7. So a is equal to how much? 7. First term. Now we should get a common difference. So now n is equal to 2, you keep a2 is equal to 3 into 4 into 2. Sorry. 3 plus 4 into 2. So 3 plus 8, 11. Now d is equal to a2 minus a1. So 11 minus 7 is equal to how much? 4. So d is equal to 4. We got a and d. So S15, Sn formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we have to find out S15. So 15 by 2, 2 into 7 plus 15 minus 1 into d is 4. So 15 by 2, keep it like that only. Don't put points. This is 14, 14 4s are 4 16, 4 5. So 15 by 2 into 60, 70. Now that is why I did not ask you, I ask you not to do anything. This 2 will get cancelled in 35. 5 15s, 5 15 75, 7, 3 15 45, 7, 52, 525. Yes, 15 is equal to 525. This is how you will be getting. Okay? So every question like some small test, I say only these questions. So I wish all of you should complete each and every question from the NCERT book. Without doing NCERT book, if you are focusing on other thing, that is waste of extra. All those extra efforts will be waste. First focus, complete NCERT book, and then get some time and work on extra problems. I hope you have understood. Please like my channel, share my channel, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. నీకు మీ స్కూల్లో బోర్డ్ ఎగ్జామ్ పేపర్స్ ఇస్తారు,